Our Call 6 investigators are back with a new twist in online narcotics sales. A Fishers teenager was arrested for buying drugs on the Silk Road Anonymous Marketplace last year, and the FBI announced it had shut down that site last month. But the internet is buzzing tonight with a new version of Silk Road, now back in action on the web. Call 6 investigator Stephen Dean joins us now with that story. Stephen?
Well, Erica, the original Silk Road had a banner across it with federal agents writing they had seized it, but drugs and weapons were not offline for long. Now, Silk Road 2.0 is up with a message proclaiming "We rise again." Back in May, we found the original site selling everything from drugs to a hitman services using a web browser that's really hard for police to trace. A Fisher's mother caught her son receiving packages of drugs in the mail. He admitted buying them on the original Silk Road site.
It's not like there was someone knocking at my door. It's not like he was out in the neighborhood, coming home, acting differently. It was delivered straight to him in the mailbox.
The man accused of operating the original Silk Road website is behind bars in New York. He's denying all the charges. A British newspaper says it's already found drugs and phony passports for sale on the new Silk Road. The cat and mouse game with federal agents starting all over again. Stephen Dean, RTV6.